In a world where security is paramount, Darkwatch Security stands as a beacon, providing top-notch services to commercial properties from offices to warehouses, shopping centers to parking lots, and industrial plants to construction sites. Even multi-housing properties aren't left out. Apartments, homeowners association, private CC, and our neighborhoods and events, we've got you covered. Ring us on 279-202-5454 or navigate your way to www.darkwatchpatrol.com. We are a 5-star rated local business offering security guard services with a friendly, community-centric approach. Our owner is just a call away, 24/7. We utilize advanced tracking software and our streamlined daily reports are ready every morning. You might even catch a glimpse of our owner in uniform at job sites. That's how seriously we take security. Tired of wasting money on impersonal corporate security companies? Choose Darkwatch Security. Our officers are hand-picked professionals, personally known to the owner from his 20-year industry experience. We don't just provide security, we care.